Now if anybody wants to do something a bit different and video the sports, make yourself a little hat cam, and I'm going to use it now to show you how good it is for video and things. It'll even, we can just walk off the end of here, I think. Hottest day ever recorded in England. No, it's muddy. The weird thing is, it wasn't even sunny. It was like hazy. So yeah, you can. Now you don't know if you're pointing too far down or too far up. So what you do an experiment. I've got it now with me. How I would normally swim, and now I'll lift my head up a little bit as an experiment for a few seconds and talk, so you know where you are in the video. So my chin's up a little bit, and then lift your chin up a little bit more. So I've got 3 settings, and then when you watch it back, you'll know. It's that easy. It's lovely, the water. It's not cold. It's not like, you know, it's refreshing. But it's perfect. I'm not going into the middle just in case. I'll stick relatively near to the edge just in case. Because I'm here on my own. Worst case scenario, at least I'll be able to get back to the bank. You know, don't think it'll never happen. You know. Lovely. There's something about it, I say. It's not just the exercise, it's a bit like when lads go fishing. It's not just about the fishing. It's been on the water. It's been in nature. It's connecting with nature. Oh, I enjoy that, I say. Lovely, lovely weed here. I needed that, I say. Oh, wow. You can't explain the feeling. I know everybody goes on about it. You can use the weed to wash your hands, by the way. I've come round to this lagoon. It's a smaller pond off the big lake. So what we'll do, we'll see what the temperature difference is. It should be a relatively big one. Yeah, it's definitely warm again. Oh yeah, it is warmer. Not that it was cold in the other one. Very clear water, this one. Oh, so is the other one, but this one's got even clearer water. I think this is safer because it's smaller. If you come on your own, you go in this one, and no one can see you from the road. Nobody can cause you a problem. Because I have been to these lakes, not just this one. I know a lot of lakes. Believe me, when I say a lot, I mean about 20, 23, 25 even. And you get people coming over. You're not supposed to be in there. You're not supposed to be in there. Well, I'm sorry, but the countryside's not just for bird spotters or cyclists or ramblers or horse riders or people on motorbikes. It's for everybody, you know. And you get these arseholes, they want it for them, you know. I'll stop over here and let you see how clear it is. I'll walk up here and let you see how clear this water is. I mean, it's crystal clear. Let me just get me here. Oh, wow. No, that is clear. What was that? Can you see that? You can see, well, it's deep in it, but you can see down to 10 foot at least. Can't hear a bird or anything. It's strange how, when I think about it, this happens on a very, very, very hot summer night. It's so quiet. No birds or anything. No animal noises. Nothing. Oh, there's some back over there.